the price element. Basically, the price element is used to define a price, you guys. As you can see, you can find the price element, enter the element section right here in product. Basically, one of the options of the price element is, first of all, alignment. You can choose to either have a center alignment, right alignment, or the basic left alignment. There's also a price total that updates price when quantity is changed. So basically, if a customer doubles the quantity, the price is gonna double basically. So I really highly suggest you actually check this on from now. There's also show practice price taxes notice. This is basically going to show the price taxes within each country, I believe. So you can also hide the compare at price. So it's going to hide that thing right here that's going to compare a price of, instead of 4 is going to be, instead of 5 it's going to be 4. You can choose to hide it and you can choose to have it visible. You can also show a badge when the product is on sale or sold out. So basically you can have something that says save and you can play with its style. So save 10%, save 20%, save, $1. It's really up to you. You can even turn it off and you can turn it on. And yeah, you can also say an afterpay settings to integrate afterpay. Your theme, you can find it right here. You can also show it and show it basically. And you'll find more instructions about how to do that just right here in this page. And those are the supported country for it, basically. For those who don't know, afterpay is simply when you don't have the total price of a product. Say it's $20 and you're gonna pay later for it. You can also change the text right here. Instead of save the something, instead of sold out, you can basically change it to whatever you want. And you can also play with the presets, the library right here. There's also the style, the color, the typography. You can choose from Google fonts right here and choose any font you like. Basically, say if I want to choose the Roboto fonts right here, which is a very, very popular font, I will be able to change it to this one. So there's also text shadow, spacing, wherever you would like to space it. There's compare price. You can change the compare price thing. You will like it bigger, you will like it smaller, you will like the same font or like the default font. The sale badge basically as well. We can change the color to white. So that's not a good color, but black, for example, I really suggest red as a very good color. You can also change the whole same settings, box shadow, the border as well. If you'd like the border to be solid, if you'd like it to be none, you can change all of that basically. You can also change the border radius. The border radius is this small curve right here. And yeah, there's also the sold out badge kind of, and you get the idea. You can also have some advanced settings regarding spacing, regarding the background, regarding the border itself, regarding responsiveness in desktop, in tablet, or mobile. If you see that this is not very comfortable when it comes to mobile or something, you can really hide it if you like. So let's say it looks bad on desktop, just press hide on desktop, it will hide on desktop. If you're using a mobile phone, it's gonna hide on the mobile phone if you press on hide mobile. And any custom CSS that you would like to add, you are able to do so. With that said, that's the price element for now. Hope you had everything clear in today's video, and see you again in another video.
Yeah.